What I'm handling here is a capacitor. This is a capacitor. This size of capacitor is very big. As you can see, it is very big. This capacitor can be used for different purposes. Can be used for different devices. But in this case, I got this capacitor from a 2 horsepower air conditioner. A 2 horsepower air conditioner. If you observe the capacitor has 3 ports on it. It has 3 ports. Each of the ports has different terminals. If you check the nameplate on the capacitor, you see 50 UF. The 50 UF controls the compressor of the air condition. And you see another part written the 2 UF. 2 UF controls the fan of the outdoor units. And if you also check, the voltage is ranging between 450 volts, 450 volts each, both from the compressor and the fan. So in this capacitor, I will also enlighten you on the connection terminologies that goes within this type of capacitor. Other capacitor has 2 ports on it. Other has 3 ports, just like this one. That terminal I'm touching now controls the fan cable, a cable that comes from the outdoor fan. One of the cable is being settled there, and other ports within the capacitor that has different terminals. Like this one has 4 terminals. If you observe it closely, the other one has 3 terminal on it. The other one has 3 terminal on it, and it's written hem. It's written hem. That's where the compressor wire settles. One cable that comes from the compressor, that's where it settles. That's where the start cable settle, and this is where the run cable settle, while that carries the fan cable. So from here you have only the start cable, it's settled there. From there you have the run cable, the cable that goes to the mains, and one cable from the fan also settles there. That's just it. That's how far the capacitor can run. Then the capacitor has a space of about plus or minus 5%. Plus or minus 5%. That's to say, if you want to adjust the usage of this capacitor, you can add up a microfarad about 5% higher or 5% lower than the rated capacity there, than the rated micro UF. That's just it. And it must rate around 50 to 60 Hz. 50 to 60 Hz. That's what we use. That's the frequency of the electricity we use here in our own country. The 50 UF controls the compressor, while the 2 UF controls the outdoor fan. If you have learned something from here, do well to subscribe to my video. Thank you. See you next time.